Hey y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk fun in the sun summer sides for a minute. I don't know about y'all, but summer to me means easy eats with family and friends. This creamy potato salad will complement any entree and will be a guaranteed hit at any potluck gathering. Just start by coarsely chopping potatoes, then boiling them in a Dutch oven until they're tender, and then add coarsely chopped eggs and dill pickles. Add in the garlic powder, the onion powder, bacon pieces, mayonnaise, and mustard. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix it well. Transfer to a large bowl and refrigerate for a few hours. Garnish it with smoked paprika just before serving. Now that's what I call a perfectly superb summer side. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.